Hi friends, today I thought we would go and make some more musical instruments. I went through my recycle bin and through my cabinets and my closets to see what I could find to repurpose. So we're going to make 3 instruments today. We're going to make a guitar, some castanets with these, and our first instrument we're going to make is a whirly shaker. So I went and found my whisk. Then I went and I noticed I still had some of these around the house. I bet you all remember what these are from yesterday. That's right, they're Easter eggs. So I opened it up and then I went back into my pantry. I love my pantry because it has some really great stuff. Hazel, do you know what these are? You've eaten these before. Little tiny noodles. If you don't have little tiny noodles, you can always use rice and lentils. But these are some of my favorites. I could never pronounce these as a kid. And my grandma Treviso used to laugh at me because I always called them anapeches, and that's not their name. But to me, they're always going to be called anapeches. So I'm going to take my scooper. What do you think I'm going to do with my scooper? You're right, Avery. We're going to take one big scoop, put it in, carefully pour it into half of our egg. And then you're going to need an adult's help to help you put it back on. There we go. Let's see if Miss Angela can do it. Nice and stuff. Do you hear it shake, Uriah? It's shaking. So the next thing we're going to do, Vincent, is take our whisk and open up my whisk and plop it in. And are you ready for this one? You ready, Brian? Here we go. Ooh, look at it go. It's going faster and faster now. It's pretty cool. So that was really simple, wasn't it, Amelia? So that's our first instrument. The next one we're going to make is called a castanet. So I went into my recycle bin and I found 2 juice lids. And they're nice and safe because they're smooth. And what shape are these? Do you remember? Who's going to say? Oh, Hazel remembered. They're a circle. Very good, Hazel. So I have 2 circles. And then I found a rag. And I use this rag a lot. It's for painting. So I have this rag. What color is this? You're right, Brian. My favorite, purple. So I cut 2 strips to hold my fingers. And I had them just the size of my lid. So the next thing is you're going to need an adult for this because you have to use this. And it's a glue gun. And we know I don't want you touching a glue gun because it's super, super hot. So have an adult put 1 dot here and 1 dot here. There we go. And then they're going to press the fabric down. And you're going to have them, again, do this so your fingers don't get hurt. And then when you're done, you're going to slip your fingers in. Your first finger is going to go in one. And then your thumb is for the next one. Slide my thumb in here. And here you have. That's right, Amelia. It makes a nice banging sound. I hear Anania's clapping her hands. So this is a castanet. So we have now 1 and, you're right, Araya, 2 instruments. Let's see what our next instrument's going to be. This is my mother's favorite instrument to play. So we're going to make our guitar next. So this one, I went looking around for the neck of the guitar so we could hold the guitar. I went for a wooden spoon and then I went for a fly swatter. Yep, this looks pretty fun, doesn't it, Brian? We could swat those flies. I don't think we're going to use the wooden spoon because it's really heavy. So we'll use the fly swatter. And then I went and found the middle. So what shape are these? I have 3 of these. You're right, Ananias. They're circles. So we have 1, 2, and 3 circles. These are lids. Does anyone want to know what this is? You are right, Orion. It is a plate. So I couldn't find a paper plate, but I have a plastic plate so it doesn't break. You can bang it around. So I think we're going to use the plate because it looks kind of pretty. So we'll put these away. And then you need one more thing. Who knows what this is? You're right, Vincent. We need some tape. So you're going to flip your plate over and you're going to take your fly swatter or whatever stick you find. You could even go outside and find yourself a regular stick. But we're going to need 3 pieces of tape to go on here. So you might need a parent to help you because you can hold it down while they put a piece right over and you can help it. Oh, I can see Brian helping out Grandpa putting that tape down so it's nice and tight. Here we go. So we have 1 and you're right, Hazel, 2. Here we go. 2 pieces of tape. We're going to put this one right over here. Good job. I can see Amelia rubbing that tape in. Very good. So let's count. 1, 2. You're right, Araya. 3. Here we go. One more thing for our muscles to work. Okay, here we go. Ready? You ready, Anais? We're going to need your muscles. We're going to press down really tight so all that tape sticks. Look. And here we go. Huh. But something's missing. There's no strings. Luckily, I found some rubber bands, and these are from my vegetables. So I have, let's count, 1, 2, and 3 rubber bands. So what you want to do is hold a rubber band on one side and push it all the way over and keep pushing it down. There you go. Oh, not yet, Brian. We're not done. We need to put on 2 more bands. Here we go, Vincent. Let's put down our next rubber band. Here we go. So we now have, let's count, toddlers, 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. Put our last string on. And look, are you ready, Hazel? Let's see if it works. It works. Our guitar is done. So, toddler friends, we made 3 instruments today. Our guitar, our castanets, ready? And our whirly shaker. So you can go home and see if you have these materials and you can have some fun on Music Monday. Okay, have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye.